Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Have you ever had difficulty maintaining motivation to achieve your goals? In this video, you will learn 3 steps to goal motivation that will help you make your dreams a reality. Hi, I'm Kara, and this video is all about helping you learn how to create a life you've always wanted step by step so you can ultimately have more freedom, fulfillment, and abundance. The first step in goal motivation is to reconfigure your mindset. Oftentimes, fear and self-doubt get in the way of us achieving our goals, causing our motivation to dissipate. Let me give you an example of how I have reconfigured my mindset. For most of my life, I have had many thoughts surrounding not being good enough. These thoughts interfered with my ability to go after my dreams. After receiving a lot of coaching, I was finally able to recognize that I am good enough to do whatever I set my mind to. The sky really is the limit. Shifting my mindset to believe that I am good enough has opened so many doors for me. For example, believing in myself enough to transition out of the military and into the entrepreneurial world. What fears or self-doubts are you currently facing? Let me know in the comments. The second step in goal motivation is to stay connected with your why. 2 days ago, I gave you some tips on goal visualization. Now that you know what you want, keep it on the forefront of your brain. Visual reminders can help you stay connected with your why when self-doubt and fear tries to weasel its way back into your life. The final step in goal motivation is to find an accountability partner who will help you stay on track with your goals. One of the best ways I have found to do this is to text a designated friend every evening. I tell her the top 3 goals I'm going to work on the following day, as well as report the progress I made on the previous day's goals. The goal is not perfection, but to simply take action. We keep each other motivated simply by staying accountable to one another. As I always say, dream the possible. If you like this video, stay tuned for future series. If there's a specific topic you are interested in, please let me know. Lastly, don't forget that I have launched a mastermind for moms on a mission. If you want to get a free guest pass, send me a DM and I'll send you the details. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.